At Airbus, we pioneer sustainable aerospace for a safe and united world. Our products connect continents, protect communities, and push the boundaries of what we know about the universe. This global promise becomes a reality at our Bremen site. We are the center of excellence for technology that must perform under the most extreme conditions, 10,000 meters above the ground or in the depths of outer space. From design and manufacturing to delivery, our employees work on aerospace technology where absolute precision and reliability are vital. Without Bremen, no Airbus aircraft could take off or land efficiently. We develop the high-lift elements of the wing that make flight possible. This includes the flaps on the trailing edge, expertly crafted by hand and supported by specialized robotics. In our highly automated paint shop, we protect every flap against corrosion, ensuring a perfect finish before we integrate them on the wing. For our A330 and A350 wide-body aircraft, we equip wing structures with electrical, hydraulic and pneumatic systems, with the precision of a Swiss watch. We also integrate all movables to the wing. Before assembly begins, our engineering teams ensure optimum aerodynamic performance. In the wind tunnel, theoretical data becomes measurable reality. Our engineers also develop cargo loading systems for every Airbus program. This includes the A350F, the freighter version of our A350. At the upcoming Airbus Fire Safety Centre, we focus on the safety of every material built into or transported by our aircraft. We are also pioneering research into safe, hydrogen-powered flight. You can spot it from miles away, the Beluga XL. This flying whale connects Bremen with our other European sites. Once a wing set is fully equipped, it is flown directly to Toulouse, France, for final assembly. Airbus embodies international teamwork, and Bremen plays a vital role in that success. But our work doesn't stop when a component leaves the site. At the European Repair Station, we ensure aircraft spend as little time on the ground as possible. We repair structural components to get them back into the sky, where they belong. Bremen is far more than just an assembly hangar. We are the global center of excellence for developing and producing highly complex airframe structures. We create vital parts of the aircraft skeleton using metal and state-of-the-art carbon fiber reinforced plastic, or CFRP. Across 3 specialized production areas, we precisely shape these materials to guarantee maximum stability. Using the world's largest thermoplastic press, we produce large CFRP components that make aircraft lighter, stronger, and more efficient. When every second counts, our speed line delivers. We supply customers across the globe with spare parts within just 48 hours. Seamless digital tracking means we know exactly where every part is, every step of the way. Speed and transparency at their peak. Next door, at the EcoMat Research and Technology Center, our engineering teams are working on new materials and processes for the future of aerospace. At the heart of it all, Testia. We ensure the stability of aircraft structures by rigorously testing the durability and longevity of materials. We use both destructive and non-destructive testing, from small coupon samples at the laboratory to large-scale panels on site. Through structural health monitoring, we look deep inside materials, using technology inspired by the human nervous system. This perfectly complements our ultrasound, eddy current, X-ray, and computer tomography scanning methods. We develop and produce non-destructive testing equipment and accessories here, sharing our expertise at our dedicated training center. Bremen's expertise reaches far beyond commercial aviation. In the defense sector, the A400M transport aircraft is our versatile workhorse. It lands where others cannot, on sand, grass, and in crisis zones. As Germany's largest A400M site, we manage the flexible cargo loading system and manufacture the bulk of the fuselage. We are also already developing the next generation of European air defense. But the sky is not the limit for our ambitions. The Columbus module, Europe's contribution to the ISS, made in Bremen. The heart of the Orion spacecraft, taking humanity back to the moon, also originates here. The European Service Module provides the propulsion, power, air, water and temperature needed to keep the crew safe and on course. We are building space robotics and designing concepts for Starlab, the next space station. You can't reach the stars without Ariane 6. Bremen is the Ariane Group Center of Excellence for upper stage development and production. 2, 1. For decades, this is where the brain of Ariane launchers has been designed. Ariane Group also manufactures fuel tanks and key components for high-end satellites and space vehicles here. Aviation, defense, space. Bremen is defined by its diversity. We are united by a single mission, pioneering for a safe and united world. And we pass our expertise to the next generation, training them across every business unit at this site. Our apprentices and dual students are shaping the future of aerospace. Because we take responsibility for every passenger, for our planet, and for the discovery of new worlds.